In this video, I am going to show you whether YouTube TV supports 4K streaming and what you can expect. Unfortunately, YouTube TV does not currently offer 4K streaming for its live TV or on-demand content. Most of the content on YouTube TV is streamed in HD, typically at 720p or 1080p resolution, depending on your internet speed and device capabilities. While some platforms like Netflix or Disney Plus have embraced 4K, YouTube TV has yet to include this feature due to licensing restrictions and bandwidth considerations. That said, if you're watching downloaded content offline, the quality will depend on the settings you've chosen, but it still won't reach 4K resolution. If 4K is a priority for you, you may need to explore other services that specifically support ultra-high-definition streaming. If this video helped you understand YouTube TV's current stance on 4K, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.